Hey guys, I'm Lucas. Nice to meet you. Welcome to this new channel. I hope it's going to become the best YouTube channel there is for learning Spanish. I prepared a lot of material for this channel, so I hope you will like it. We'll be focusing on grammar. Later on, we're going to move to some other things like phrases and common words. But at the beginning, I just want to make grammar simple because I've been there, I've learned a lot of languages, and I know that learning languages, grammar, is one of the things that can make people stop or give up on learning a language. This is the first video in this channel, so I hope that if you're watching it, go and subscribe right now, like it, and share with your friends. Now get comfortable because we are going to start learning Spanish grammar. Vamos! Okay guys, this is the material section. Here we are going to be learning everything. So you see on my side, there is 4 skills that we're going to be learning on the first season. Yes, the channel is going to have seasons of videos. So in the next season, we're going to have 4 different skills. For example, negative form, questions, past tense, and things like that. And we're going to be increasing the difficulty. So I really want to treat this like a game. So when we clear our skills, a progress bar is going to be filled. We're going to be leveling up. So I really just want to have this to be fun and easy to get because I think learning grammar in a language is quite discouraging. So as I was saying, these 4 skills is what we're going to be learning in the coming videos. And I want to make it look like a mobile app or a game that we're playing. It's not actually a game. I just make the material already. But if you actually want me to make this into an app, I happen to be an app developer. So let me know and we might make all these videos turn into an app that you can play on your phone and learn Spanish on the go. You have apps like Duolingo, right? That's true. But I don't really like Duolingo in a sense that they teach you a lot of common phrases and a lot of useful things, but they don't actually teach you grammar. They just jump into phrases immediately. I want to make these videos for people who is interested in learning grammar because I think it's really important and no one is really teaching you that because that's the hard part. It's a bitter medicine that no one wants to take, so no one wants to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you. So guys, that's it for this intro video. Now make sure to subscribe, like this video, and go to see the next one, which we're going to be learning about pronouns in Spanish. So get comfortable and go click on the end card. It should be around here somewhere. So click here to go see the video. And also you can click here to subscribe, remember that. And yeah, I'll see you around, I guess. Bye. Adios.